unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine and I am back with another unboxing for pettreater. Now, if you're not familiar, pettreater is a monthly subscription for either your dog or your cat. You can set a profile based on breed size, and they have 3 different options available. The first one is $15. That one is two toys and 2 treats. Now, the next level is $18, and that one you can choose if you would like that to be treats only or toys only, and you get 3 items in that bag. And then there's the box, which is $25, and that is for multiple pets in your home. You get a little bit more goodies in that. So I chose the $18 one, and I chose toys only. I've got my 2 big dogs out there, and I like to keep them busy and happy. And so that's why I get the toys only, because we get plenty of treats as it is. So let's go ahead and see what they sent us for July. So they are celebrating July, and your pet can be the next pick of the litter. If you take pictures with the stuff that they provide and they like it, then you get to be chosen as the pick of the litter. And this month it is Apollo. That's the scarf or the bandana from last month. Very nice. So you can do that. We always get a bandana in every bag or box, every time. Cats, they put in the smaller ones that are about half the size, but that's very patriotic looking. And the first thing I am pulling out is this rope toy. Ooh, look at that. This is by Paws and Pals. It's a tugger rope. It can help redirect bad biting behavior. It's good for tugging, chewing, and fetching, and it's great for dogs of all breeds and sizes. So this is just your average rope. There's a little bit of a stretch, not much. But, oh yeah, that'll be fun. My Luna likes to play tug of war, so yeah, okay. And the next thing is this, oh, it's a pig. Does it squeak? It does squeak. Okay, this is by Silly Bounce and Squeak, Mr. Marvin, the smart way to play. Stimulate, motivate, active, retrieve, and toss. It's a little pig. It's cute. They like squeaky toys, so they might like this one. And I have my Peanut is right down here, and he's looking at me. Aren't you, baby? You want to see Peanut? That's Boo. There he is. There's my Peanutty. I can't see you, baby. I can't see you. All right, there's Peanut. That's this Peanut. This is Peanut. This is Cookie. This is Beckaboo. He's my Beckaboo. And there's one more that's not here right now. Mickey. Okay. Now the last of the thing, oh, this is super cute. Look at that. It is a plush pet toy by Paw Fam Company. Stuffed mouse. Okay, there is a squeaky in there. This is very cute. So this month for $18, now you try and go to the store and buy these for $18. Unless it's on clearance, you're not going to be able to. So that's why this comes in really handy, because it saves me money and I can keep my animals happy. And I am very glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.